One thing that is amazing is the weather outside right now, too. Not too hot. In fact, yesterday we did hit 87 degrees, which ties the record of, that was originally set back in 1938. So we at least didn't get there. We didn't break the record, but we did tie it. This morning, though, not as bad. We've been able to enjoy the morning so far in case you're going out for your morning walk. Temperatures right now still at around 73 degrees. We shouldn't be at 73. We should be much cooler than this. But you know what? We'll take it for now because it is going to be a little more wet and a little bit more dreary as we get throughout the middle of the week. So at least enjoy what you can outside right now. This is what it looks like on our satellite and radar at this point. You see a lot of cloud coverage continuing to filter through. Plenty of cloudy conditions for Gillespie County, Llano County, Burnett County. And then we see a little bit of partly cloudy conditions for Bastrop County, Fayette County, and Lee counties at this point. And over the next couple of hours, we'll slowly start to make our way back up by 8 a.m. We're already at 70 degrees one more time, and by 10 a.m. that's when we start warming up a little bit more. We'll be back up to around 75. Overall, the highs for today will match what we saw yesterday, around 87, but look at our normal high for this time of year, 72 degrees. That is well above where we should be right now. And all the winds coming in from the south, that's bringing in the humidity, that's bringing in the warmth, that's bringing in the moisture that we've been able to see. That's why we're getting some clouds one more time. And of course, that will help us get some rainfall as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. In fact, let's talk about it. Now that we've reached Monday, we're getting a clearer picture of what to expect for Tuesday and for Wednesday. As we can see here, once we get to Tuesday early in the morning, 7:30, you see the possibility of a few spotty showers that could pick up. Mostly drizzle for Tuesday and Wednesday is what it's looking like. And in fact, this whole activity is pushed back just a couple of days. Originally looking like we could have gotten some showers on Monday. It doesn't look like it's going to be the case. Now it's more Tuesday, Wednesday, and then really ramping up Wednesday into Thursday. You can even see here by 7:30 on Wednesday, we finally start to get a little more rainfall that could pick up. Pockets of moderate rain could move in, and then by Wednesday night at 9:30, now you're starting to get some of the heavier rainfall that could move through. As far as your severe risk for Wednesday, we're keeping that within the general thunderstorm category or not severe. You can see a majority of it should be west of I-35, but that rain chance really starts to ramp up, especially as we get into Thursday. We're bumping that up to about a 70% chance of rainfall. The front moves through midday on Friday, and then you'll start to see your temperatures drop to 72 degrees by Saturday and 71 degrees by Sunday.